A 16-year-old male presents to the emergency department with a 3-week history of persistent fever, fatigue, and generalized weakness. He has also experienced night sweats and a gradual weight loss of about 3 kilograms over the past month. Recently, he noticed small, painless red spots on his palms and soles, occasional shortness of breath, and chest pain. The patient denies any recent infections, dental procedures, or trauma. History shows the presence of a congenital heart disease. Examination revealed a new systolic murmur heard at the left sternal border, grade 3/6, not previously documented, and the findings shown.